Hey everybody, my name is Ryan Powell, and just a few months ago I bought little 15 acres of land about 10 miles or so from where I currently live. So been a few projects out here. There's a little fire pit there to the right, and we started setting up a little shooting range there with some railroad ties. We got some work to do, but what I wanted to show you today was a little pond project I'm working on. The previous owners had started to drain a pond. The previous owners also did a lot of dumping on the land. Not extreme dumping, but you'll see there's a tire in the pond and a few other areas where they had some landscaping piles that they had dumped. But you can see this is all overgrown. This is around the pond here, and then up to the front of the property there, and then it kind of goes back in the back here. But as we get down here, this will eventually all be cleaned out, so we can, the pond should kind of come up somewhere around in this edge here, but you'll see it when we get down in here. Little deer feeding spot that needs a little rehabbing. So there's the pond. The original owners had started to drain the pond. It was such a mess and needed to be cleaned out, and they used a nice little backhoe to do that and got down as far as they could with the backhoe. And then I've come in and been hand digging to try to get the rest of the pond to drain. So you can kind of see when you look there where the dirt meets the vegetation line. That's the draining that I've been able to do, just hand digging in the trench over here. So I wanted to show you I'm about to be at a point where I can get running water again, and you'll see here. So here's the trench across the dam. So there's kind of the lower edge of it, and then here's where it kind of works its way back up towards where the pond is. And I'll get down in here and kind of show this to you. I had to make myself some little steps to step into the trench here. Oh shoot! Just about slid down the hill. So there you can see I've got some water running through the trench. There's my weapon. It's been helping me, a little trench shovel that I've been using for the last stretch here. There's where the trench runs up, and there's where it meets the pond up there. And again, I'm about to open the gate here and have running water. So if you've been sweating on this project as much as I have, this is quite a momentous moment. So thought you might like to see the trench open up here. Let me see if I can find a spot where we can kind of see it come through here. There's my hand in the way. That doesn't help us any. Let's do this. A few horseflies flying around you can hear. Let's see if I can do it while holding the phone. Or better yet, maybe this will work for us. Okay. All right, here we go. You can see how much clay this is. This is some thick clay. It is not going to have any problem holding water once we get it drained, get it nice and cleaned out. We will not have any problem. And there she goes. That has been a lot of sweat, a few bug bites, a lot of mud. So this runs down. I've got, you can see this tree that had fallen here will need to be cleaned out, but kind of runs down to a creek down below there. And We actually have a natural spring that's up on the top end of the property that we will run into the pond eventually. So I will share you an update next time I do something worth paying attention to. Enjoy. Thank you.